Hello dear students, good morning. This is the second lecture related to class 11 physics, and in this lecture today we will discuss about two more topic, that is heat engine and heat pump. The first thing about heat engine, just try to understand about the heat engine concept. Heat engine means a simple device which converts heat energy into mechanical energy. Very simple concept. Whenever diagram concept is clear, then you can write down the definition. I will say that principal concept of heat engine and about its working. Just see how this one work. Diagram concept very easy. Consisting of three parts. This one is what? Source at T1 temperature, T1 Kelvin. That is hot reservoir. This one is working substance. Working substance. This is the work done. That is always done by working substance. Air and fuel. Air and fuel. I will say that gases, no matter. This is the sink at T2 Kelvin temperature. Say cold reservoir. Cold reservoir. Clear? Just observe for starting. How you can define the heat engine? Heat engine means what? Simply a device which converts heat energy into mechanical energy. A device which converts heat energy into mechanical energy. Clear? Very simple definition. And then after this, the concept of its working, how this one works. You see, here source at high temperature, that is T1. Here always you should learn what T1 is greater than T2. T1 is greater than T2. Then this working substance absorb heat from source, and this one heat is representing by Q1, and then further somewhat amount of heat transfer to sink, that is what? Q2. Clear? तो वर्किंग सब्सटेंस ये क्या करेगा? सोर्स से Q1 हीट क्या करेगा? एब्जॉर्ब करेगा, एंड Q2 क्या करेगा? कुछ लोअर वैल्यू ट्रांसफर करेगा किसको? सिंक को, एंड देन आल्सो ड्यूरिंग दिस प्रोसेस doing what? Some work, that is W, and returns back to initial position. Then this is the cyclic process, and cyclic process always remember du equal to 0. It means what? Change in internal energy must be 0. Clear? Then by first law of thermodynamics, first law of thermodynamics very easy, that is basically based on our total working capacity of our self or anyone daily life. You are what? doing some work. And how doing some work? By getting some energy. And getting some energy how? By taking some foods. And taking some foods what? Engaging your internal energy. That I explained in first lecture. That is GQ. This is the energy from DQ is what? This is the energy that you are taking daily by daily in the terms of food, and you are doing what? Some work, either by walking or doing some activity, no matter, all of having some concept of work. And then this is what? DU, that is the development in the body part. This is the what? First law of thermodynamics, very easy. Heat equal to work plus energy. And then let's see, du is equal to 0, du is equal to 0, and this is the dw, and this dw is equal to what? dq is what? q1 minus q2, q1 minus q2. This is the work done here. And how to find out the efficiency of heat engine? Very important. Efficiency of heat engine is the efficiency formula. That is normally representing by the eta symbol, and this efficiency that is defined as the output upon input. Output here work. You say that either W or dW, no matter, W or dW. That's what output, and input. Input means dq. dq, that is what? q1 minus q2. Clear? So efficiency always a ratio terms here. Output upon input. In case of heat pump, not output upon input, but in case of heat engine, that is output upon input. In case of when you just try to understand about in heat pump, the same terms will not available. In that particular terms, that is what? Input upon further input. Clear? That is the heat taken from, that is the input case, and work done on the system, that is also input system. Here output upon input, output means what? dw, IW no matter, upon dq, dw upon dq, and dw here, just say q1 minus q2, and dq, dw is equal to what? q1 minus q2. You can write formula in simple, no? That is w upon q1, w upon q1, input what? q1, w is equal to w or dw no matter, q1 minus q2 upon q1. Clear? And this eta becomes what? When you that expand q1 upon q1 minus q2 upon q1, then gives what? q1 is equal to 1 minus q2 upon q1. This is the formula for efficiency of heat engine. Clear? Just note down very simple terms. Then suppose you want to calculate this efficiency in the terms of temperature. In the terms of temperature, then as we know by Carnot cycle, q1 upon q2 is equal to t1 upon t2, and we have to utilize what? q2 upon q1, then this must also reverse, T2 upon T1. Then this equation change. Eta is equal to 1 minus T2 upon T1. Clear? By using this formula, you can solve out some numerical also. Efficiency of heat engine. Efficiency of heat engine, that is equal to what? 1 minus T2 upon T1 or 1 minus Q2 upon Q1. Clear? How the working? Very simple. Working substance absorbing heat Q1 from source at temperature T1, that is hot reservoir, and then while doing work transferring some amount of energy to the sink at lower temperature. Clear? Concept of working, very easy. When you just diagram concept clear, then everything will be clear. Diagram, 3 terms: source, sink and working substance. Clear? Then after this we will discuss about the heat pump. Heat pump, or you say that principle of refrigerator. Just see, heat pump. How heat pump in working mode? I will say the principle of refrigerator. Principle of refrigerator. In this, only one few concepts is differ from heat engine. Heat engine work is done by the working substance, but heat pump work is done on the working substance. Always remember, work is done on the working substance. This is working substance. Working substance. This one, sink. Sink here is like food stuff. The materials you want to keep inside the refrigerator for cooling, that is what? Everything that you are putting inside the refrigerator for cooling, that is what? Sink at T2 Kelvin temperature. This is what? Cold reservoir. You see, cold reservoir. And here external work is done by the electric pump, electric motor.